Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can play Amazon Music on your Amazon.Speaker. So first of all, you have to go for the Amazon Alexa application, that's very obvious, and open the Play tab. Of course, you have to be previously connected with your speaker. And then you can find here like Spotify, like local radio, and also Amazon application. So when you click right here, the Amazon Music will be open. Oh, sorry guys, let me just clean the screen. That looks terrible. Okay, right now it looks definitely better. Sorry for that. And if you want to play any music like this one, for example, you have to get this Amazon Unlimited feature. So you have to get and update your account. So right now I'm unable to play the music because I don't own this unlimited plan. But if you have it, after tapping, the music will come from your .speaker. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.